Cladco Original Composite Wall Cladding Boards are the perfect solution for transforming your home or building's exterior with a modern finish. Featuring a smooth surface and simple design, installation of Cladco Original Composite Wall Cladding is easy, with each board slotting into the next using a tongue and groove connection. Cladco Composite Wall Cladding boards weigh approximately 6.95 kilograms with a width of 157 millimeters, providing a wide coverage for your external walls. Cladco Composite Wall Cladding boards are available in the same 8 colours as seen on the Cladco Composite Decking range. Cladco Composite Wall Cladding boards are a low-maintenance alternative to traditional timber cladding, requiring no sanding, varnishing or painting throughout their lifespan. Each Cladco Composite Wall Cladding board measures 3.6 metres in length and can be installed horizontally or vertically to your building for the desired look. We recommend using the Cladco 4-metre Composite Battens or 4.2 metre Type A timber battens to form a supporting base for Cladco Composite Wall Cladding. Unlike traditional timber cladding, Cladco Composite Cladding is rot and splinter resistant, as well as insect and pest resistant to improve longevity. Due to the hardwood fibres within each board, Cladco Composite Cladding can be cut using a standard jigsaw or wood saw. As an environmentally friendly product, Cladco Composite Cladding consists of 60% recycled wood fibres and 40% recycled plastics with resins, tints and dyes. Cladco Composite Corner Trims can be used to finish your wall cladding design and are available in all 8 composite colours.